Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to look at the Bauer 20V batteries and what's inside of them. Before you take any batteries or anything like this apart, make sure you are wrapped for protection so there's no surprises on them down the road. And what's inside of them is Samsung 18650s. These are the 1500 milliamp hour batteries. Normal voltage is 3.6, makes 18 volts. Maximum voltage is 4.2, makes 21 volts. There are 5 batteries in series to make the 20 volt. And then, of course, on your 3 amp, you got 5, 10 in series and parallel to make 3 amp hour 20 volt batteries. And to show that they at least have 20 volts, hook up my multimeter. And you got 20.5. And this is on a fully charged one. And then once the battery starts draining on them, I know it's people's biggest gripe, they only have 3 lights showing the battery charge. But once they start getting drained, that first LED will start to dim. Anytime it gets under 19.5, I think this one's right now at 19.2. When it gets about 19.5, the first one will dim, and then after it gets under 19, this light will go completely out, and you just have these 2. So in retrospect, you got 6 fuel gauges. Go figure. Now, likes and dislikes. First, I'm going to talk about my dislikes. Is the charger. It's always the charger. It's a 1.7 amp hour charger, and it takes about roughly around from completely dead. Takes about 2.5 hours to charge the 3 amp hour battery. To me, it's not the worst. It's not the best. I wish they would come out with one that maybe $10 more that charges it even faster, but we'll wait and see if that happens. Now my likes about them, they're cheap. The 1.5 amp hour is $20. You can't beat that with a stick. The only one that's even close when it comes to any of them big brands that even comes close to the prices of these batteries is Cobalt's. At least it used to be. I think they all jumped up in $10 in price now. And then of course these are 19. These are double the price, 39. Go figure. And when it comes to like Ryobi and stuff, their batteries are just way overpriced. The 3 amp hour batteries, 2 packs, like what, $100? So it's like $50 a battery. These are still $10 cheaper. Oh well. Now we're going to talk about the new batteries that they just announced about a week ago. They're coming out. They're coming out with a 5 amp hour, and then they're also coming out with an 8 amp hour. I will probably be picking them up as long as the prices ain't insane. If they're $20 more, so like say the 5 amp hour is $59 like the Hercules one is, I will pick one up. And then if the 8 amp hour battery is $20 more than that, I will pick one up. So retrospect, 5 amp hour battery, I'm hoping to be around $59, and then the 8 amp hour battery would be about $79. I will pick them up with that. But if they're like $69 and $89 or even higher than that, I'm not going to touch them. Alright guys, this is just a quick look of what's inside of them and just talking about the newer batteries about to coming out and my little gripes about it. You guys have a great day. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a dislike if you didn't like it. And consider subscribing to my channel because I will be also reviewing some of the other Bauer products that I have on my wall here. And you guys have a great day. Drop a comment if you guys had any concerns or anything.